Yo guys, how's it going? Zach here. Today I'm going to be doing a Scuf unboxing. I ordered my Scuf about a week ago. It's arrived really early, so I'm happy at that. I'm going to be opening it and recording through my iPhone, so after this you will see the unboxing, and then I will come back into this screen and show you a close-up of the controller. Hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, this is now the actual unboxing. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you guys can see, it comes in the standard Scuf gaming box. Let's open the box and put this thing together. Okay, and as you guys can see, it was my Scuf controller. Custom grips on the back. Let's get back into the video and I'll show you guys more.
Okay guys, so as you all saw there, I now have my Scuf controller. As you can see, it's all white. There are pink, a little bit of splash of pink in there. Turn around to the back, I've got the grips on either side of the controller with the Scuf gaming panels, which will hopefully help me improve my gameplay. So yeah, I'm going to go now test this. I'm going to go get a load of kills hopefully. So thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more content. I'm out. Peace.